Hello traders, I've heard you missed Divergence and you missed some trade reviews videos, so today I decided to discuss about one of my recent profit splits. I think today we will discuss about the first one, and in a further video, if you are interested into my trades, we can discuss about the second profit split as well. First of all, as a context, the account I am going to discuss about is a 100k account, and of course the strategy used is the one on gold. You know it, using the 5 minutes time frame, pivot points, sometimes the EMAs in order to trail our stop loss. And of course, on the higher time frames, we are going to take a look on some order blocks. Regarding the risk per trade, for sure, 1% risk per trade. And I am trading only gold, even if you see here on the watch list, Euro US dollar, I am keeping it only to sometimes take a look on its dynamic, but I'm not influencing my decisions when trading gold. So yeah, first of all, let's go to the trading history. Okay. And for this profit split, I had only these 4 trades. If you sum them up, you will see that the total profit was $8,000, but due to the fact that the profit split is 80% from the profit, of course, the profit split was that one here, $6,500. Now we have to clear something prior going to the charts. As I always mention when you see this kind of profit splits with 100% win rate, this was just a particular situation, and don't expect to see every single trading cycle like this. Actually, there are very rare times when I have these kind of cycles of 100% win rate, so don't be fooled, don't consider that this is the holy grail. Actually, in the next profit split, when we are going to discuss about it, you will see that the first trade was a losing one. So yeah, I'm not trying to talk about unrealistic things. Again, just a very good period. So with no more further ado, let's go to the trading view, and first of all we will discuss about this trade. As you can see, on the 22nd of January I had 2 trades, and the first one is exactly this one. The reasons why I opened this trade: obviously the higher time frame trend was still bullish, but also when being on the 5 minutes time frame, I saw these beautiful rejections exactly formed on the first support of the day. You can see here on my chart, the yellow line is the pivot point, the green line is the first support of the day. You can clearly see here the dynamic of the market. I would like to show you as well the 1 minute time frame, but unfortunately my plan on trading view is not allowing me to see the history of the 22nd of January on 1 minute. And hopefully here you would have multiple ways to enter this trade. Of course, for a while the trade, as you can see, was in drawdown, but no problem regarding that, because the price action was pretty clear here, and the buy position was very clear around this zone. Regarding the exit point, this is a very interesting thing, because as you can see, I closed my position here, and after that I opened a sell position somewhere around the pivot point level. However, I was pretty sure that this level is going to continue the range formed in the morning. As you can see, we have here a range somehow of a top zone around this level, so I was expecting to just trade the range exactly as it is. However, when I saw the reactions of the price on the 1 minute time frame in the real market conditions around this level, I decided to close my position. And while I was preparing my sell position, the price actually would have hit my take profit of 3 to 1, because if you see the trading history, my take profit was at 2030, but however this was kind of an impulsive decision of mine to close the trade prior it to hit the take profit, but no problem, 2% is still a good trade. All right, and after that you can see here that after the price hit the pivot point of the day and the upper zone of our range formed around this level, I decided to open a sell position. You will see that my stop losses are usually even $2.5 in gold. I mean from 20 to 2019.5. This is what I mean by $2.5 in gold, because some time ago someone understood that my stop loss is $2, and yeah, this is what I wanted to clear. All right, so I always know that for $2.5 in gold stop loss I need to open 4 lots, and this is why you see the exact number of lots being the same in almost all my trades. Sometimes I have 5 lots opened, mostly because my stop loss is only $2 and not 2.5. But yeah, going back to my 3-to-1 trade, I opened the short position around this level because I was pretty sure that at least for a while the market will continue to be ranging, so no emotions here. Sell position exactly on the pivot point of the day, a stop loss that covers the upper base of our range, and here the initial take profit was around the first support of the day. But however, as you can see, the market started to form a descending channel around this level, and at least on the funded account, I don't really want to mess with the market conditions when trading on 5 minutes and on the 1 minute time frame. So when I see this kind of market conditions, I prefer to get out of the position and maybe try to catch another one a few later. So yeah, this is why I mostly closed the trade here. Going to the next opened trade, next actually relevant trade was this 2.5 to 1. Again, 4 lots because the stop loss was $2.5 US dollars, $2.5 US dollars of gold again. And the trade was actually opened in the next day. Unfortunately, in the morning I could have a very good buy position up until this zone, but I was sleeping around here, so yeah, I just missed the trade in the morning. But however, I was waiting for the market to get around this zone, all right, because as you can see, we had another important order block that was hit somewhere around this level. Also, we have a very good support from the second resistance of the day. The orange lines are the resistances of the day. And yeah, this is another trade that could have been closed on a very good win ratio, on a much better win ratio, because my initial take profit was somewhere around 5 to 1, somewhere around the pivot point of the day, and it exactly landed there. But however, again, on the funded account, I am trying to be much more conservative when I am having this kind of small stop losses, because in a few moments you can lose all your profits. So I am trying to cut my profits as soon as I see that there are some reasons that can affect my trade. And you can see here that once the price hit again the first resistance of the day, we saw here a pretty good reaction of the price, all right, and I think I closed my trade around this level here. So we can see a lot of pressure to the upside. So again, when you have this kind of small stop losses, you have to be a bit more conservative if you want to take an advantage in the market. Regarding the next trade, this trade is not so relevant because I opened it only to get exactly to 8,000 US dollars profit. So yeah, the trade was pretty good, having confluences, having reasons to be opened, but I just closed it on 0.4 to 1 just to get to the profit. So yeah, nothing really to discuss here. So overall, these were the trades that made me to get this profit split. If you have any questions regarding my approach, if you have any suggestions regarding the next videos and what would you like to see from my site, please let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to see the next video where I'm going to discuss about the next profit split. And if you consider this video useful, we may consider to start a series where I am discussing about my profit splits, I am explaining you my trades and so on. So yeah, thank you all for watching, see you in our next videos, and of course until then, trade safe and trust the process.